Welcome back. We are still inside of the GetResponse website builder. We're inside of the Manage Pages tab, and we have created a new page so that we can look at how you're going to manage the settings on that page. You've seen that what you can do is you can add in an image so that when your page is shared on social media, you'll know what image is going to be shared for your site or for the page. There's also an access area. And basically, it's here where you can determine who can access the page. You can make it a members only page. You can make the page just for members. You can make the page for password holders, or you can make the page available for everyone. The default setting is for everyone. If we change this to password holders, we can make the password what we want it to be. So your password does have to have a letter, number, uppercase, lowercase, and special characters. Once you have your password in, you can click this element, and then your password will then be saved. That means then that you'll need to make sure that individuals get the password in order to access this specific page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.